Hi everyone, welcome back to another video with Techie Water. Today in this video, we are going to discuss how to create an AWS account for free, and we'll discuss some important tips to use AWS free tier. AWS free tier is available to all types of customers like students, entrepreneurs, small businesses, etc. So before you start using AWS free tier, just please visit below link at least once. Let me quickly visit this link. So this is the home page of AWS free tier. When you scroll down, you can see there are three types of services offered in AWS free tier. One is free trials, second is 12 months free tier, third one is always free. Okay, so we will focus on 12 months free tier. When you further scroll down, you can select what type of service you are going to use. So as we are going to use 12 months free tier, so let me click this one. So it will filter out all the services which belongs to 12 months free tier. Okay. Now you can see in free tier for Amazon EC2 instance, AWS offers 750 hours per month. Okay, and when you see in detail, you can check AWS offers T2 micro and T3 micro instances for 750 hours. In the same way, you can check for Amazon S3 services as well. You can check for RDS services as well, 750 hours per month for database users. And in the same way, you can scroll down and you can check services that you are going to use. So I will recommend before start using AWS free tier, just come to this page and have a look about the free services so that you will be aware of uses. Let me move to create AWS free tier account. For creating account on AWS, you have to keep three things handy. One is credit card or debit card. Second is your email ID. And third one is your phone with you to get OTP for verification. Now let's visit AWS website to create account. So just type AWS account create and open this link. Now click on sign up now. Here you have to provide your email address and your AWS account name. So let me enter my email address, that is techiewaterdemo@gmail.com, and my AWS account name techiewaterdemo. Verify. Now AWS will send some OTP on your email address for verification. So let me just quickly open my email address. Let me get the code. Now click on verify. Now it will ask you to create your root password. So just enter a strong password, minimum length with 8 to 12 character. Confirm password and then continue to next step. Here it will ask you for contact information, and before that you have to select if it's personal account or business account. So we are working with personal account, so let me click personal account and then enter my full name. Now you have to provide your phone number and then you have to select your country. Further, you have to provide your address, postal code, and then continue. Enter your credit card or debit card details, and then you will get your OTP on your phone number. So just enter the OTP that you received on your phone number and submit that OTP. Now it will take few seconds. Yes, now it will again ask for your phone number. So provide the country code, that is for India +91, and then your phone number. Here you will receive one OTP on your phone number that you have to provide here. So it will take few seconds to get OTP. Once you get your OTP, then just enter here and continue. In this step, you have to select the support plan. So we are just moving for basic support, that is free account. So just select this and continue. So with this step, your account setup is completed. AWS will take some time to complete your account. Meanwhile, fill these details. You have to select your role. So for me, I will select IT administrator, and yes, I am interested in DevOps, and then submit. So actually, when you create your account, it waits for 24 hours to get it fully active. Actually, it doesn't take 24 hours, but it would take an hour or probably maximum of 2 or 3 hours to actually activate your account. Okay, so let me quickly log in to my account. Enter your password. So here it will let you log into your account, but to get it fully active, just wait for 2 to 3 hours. And once it is active, just come to your home page, like this is my home page, and select the region. So as we are in India, so we can select Asia Pacific Mumbai region. It will actually give you good results. Main services, or you can say frequently used services, are these one, like EC2 instance, build web app, etc. So you can just quickly go from here. Okay, so that's it guys. We can sign out from here. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel Techie Water. Thank you for watching.